currently at the receiving end of climate carnage, so to speak. Countries like Pakistan are suffering from the impact of climate change to come directly in the way of their growth trajectories. So these are two vastly interconnected, intrinsically interconnected subjects. There's the catastrophic climate change events, which have real impact in terms of catastrophes that they leave behind. But there's also the everyday climate events, which go somewhat unnoticed but have a huge impact on food, lifestyle, lives, development. I mean, countries like Pakistan still struggling with developing, funds to send children to school, have to deal with now diverting those funds towards climate change, towards adaptation, towards mitigation. When a reputable house, and a reputable university puts this as a priority, it sort of gives us the hope that science, rational thinking, logic is what will help the debate rather than just political point of views. I believe that in my country, which is 240 million strong people, there are no climate deniers. That's not because we are very smart. That's because we don't have an option. We have been face to face with climate change wrath, and therefore we don't have deniers. Should we wait for the day that every country has to go through exactly the same proportion of chaos and damage and destruction to reach the point where we stop having climate deniers? So yeah, informed discussion, informed, logical, reasonable discussion and science to lead the way is the way forward.